Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Okay, we have a nighttime walking video for Macau. And this particular street is in Taipa, and you'll see it in the map behind me. And we're gonna be following this train line. And the train line is somewhat new. It came a few years ago, and it goes right next to the street. Jockey Club, where the horse racing used to be, is on the other side as well. But I'm gonna be walking by where the busy commercial district is, and we're gonna be walking all the way down to this really cool looking blue building, which I love to film. Has a nice pedestrian street, as you can see behind me. So anyways, nonetheless, you're gonna get a little bit of a night view of Macau in Taipa. We're gonna walk by a couple small casinos as well. You'll see those too. Just watch the video, will ya? Pew! Macau! Coming at ya. Okay, so we're in Macau. We're in the street with a very long name, and we're gonna walk down it, and we're gonna follow this train line, which is right here. So hopefully some trains go by as well. We are in Taipa. We're gonna walk by 2 casino hotels, and then we'll walk to the end of the street. And way in the distance over there, you can see Venetian. You can even see a moon. Hopefully we can get another view of the moon. It's right underneath the bridge. You can see the moon maybe now. And then right there is a train line. So the train will go by, we'll probably see it while we're walking. And right over there is the Jockey Club with horse racing, which is no longer in service anymore. So that'll probably change into something different, that right there. And the station is called Jockey Club Station. Just closed. And then we got all these tall buildings everywhere. This goes down to IKEA Mall, IKEA store, and also the Nova Grand Mall way down there. But we're gonna be walking down this street right here. So stay tuned. Okay, so we have this nice long sidewalk, big sidewalk. Just recently, all these cars over here, they built this nice parking garage, and they kind of expanded it a little bit. And now you have some nice major big sidewalk to walk on. There's a lot of density down in this way, lots of tall buildings. We're gonna walk by some of those, and you can see what that looks like as well. Yeah, there's the train right there. There it goes. You can see Galaxy Casino down there, Parisian Casino, Venetian Casino. They're way down over there. So those are all on that side. Then you also got some nice balconies. These apartments have some really beautiful balconies. Okay, so we're gonna walk all the way down. So the lights are just coming on, so you got some nice neon lights, which make it nice for filming. Namsan, they call this area Namsan. So right there it says Namsan store, Pharmacia, Loja store. You got lots of tall buildings everywhere throughout here, so I'm just gonna walk in briefly, give you a feel for it. There's an old mailbox, just kind of defunct now. Okay. It's a bit dark, so I don't know. Sometimes the camera will jump around a little bit. Check out those balconies though, they're so nice. Those big circular ones. Black Forest fruitcake. So yeah, there's, this kind of leads into, we're part of Taipa Centro is where we're located at. And this particular street is just kind of a local street. It's not really, I guess there's a couple. There's 2 hotels. We'll walk by those. So we'll have some tourists. Let me see here. Let's walk through this.
to be kind of dark. So, but yeah, this goes into this apartment complex. This whole area is called Namsan. There's a pharmacy right there. So we're gonna walk back up. Give me a taste for what Macau looks like. Pharmacia. Okay. So we're gonna go towards this two hotels this way, Grand Dragon Casino and Grand View Hotel. I think those are some of the lowest price casino hotels in the city, I think. I could be wrong. There's a, maybe on Taipa side for sure. We're on the Taipa side. Lots more tall buildings way down there. So it goes down to Taipa Central Park down that way. But we're gonna keep on going down. I think they just recently, I think it was another train, they just recently created this nice sidewalks. It wasn't so nice before. And this was also, like they also kind of restored that. There's Yoho Tower way down there. That's up on the mountainside. It's on the other side of these big tall buildings called Namsan. Okay. So that's this is Grand Dragon Casino right here that we're walking next to. And you can see the sign right here, Grand Dragon Casino. And we have another hotel coming up as well, which is Grand View Hotel. So we'll walk by both of those. And then we got a McDonald's. Over there is a small Thai temple. Thai style. There's a lot of Thai people in Macau. Used to be a lot more. And then I guess it used to be a lot when it was Portuguese. And then when it became part of China, then they had more Filipino and Indonesian. But now I hear they're hiring more Thai people again. So I think the numbers will go up. But anyways, that's a little Thai temple right there, to the right there. Grand View Hotel. And way in the distance you can see Morpheus Hotel and Casino, way down there at the end. And we're kind of coming into the residential area. If we were to walk straight down this way, which we're not going to do, we are going to walk this way underneath the Grand View Hotel. So let me see. I'm gonna walk this way. There we go. Grand View Casino. So I guess it's also a casino, hotel and casino. And way in the distance you can see the train line, of course, but in the distance is Morpheus Casino, which I mentioned before, and City of Dreams, which is a circular building way in the distance as well. It's recycling right there. And what we're going to do in a minute is we're going to walk through this kind of cool looking little street, which is going to be right around the corner from us. I hope the camera's not too shaky. When it becomes nighttime, it can shake a little bit. This cool blue building right here. That building I really like a lot. We're gonna walk inside of it a little bit. And I think at nighttime there's a nice pedestrian street right aligned with it. And then we're gonna come back. We're gonna kind of go in a little bit of a circle, but getting a little bit dark to film, but we'll continue with it nonetheless. There it is. This is the one I want to film. Because of all the shapes. This has kind of these really interesting shaped buildings everywhere. And actually this goes right through, so they have a little corner right there. And then that one's a little walk through space too right there. A little pet shop right there. Then if you walk through this side right here, you can actually walk through the building. You can see Galaxy Casino. We're gonna walk through that way in a little bit, but we're gonna continue down this way, and then we're gonna walk around the building and give you a whole image of what it looks like. It's kind of cool though, because you got all these kind of bendy looking shapes. Okay, so the camera just went out there, but yeah, you got all these little bendy shapes everywhere. So now we're gonna the camera's overheats a little bit if it's so hot and humid right now. So the way the weather is, it's pretty dark as well. But anyways, this is kind of a cool street. I think because it's so dark, it may or may not be worth filming. Okay, so you can kind of see the shapes a little bit, but I like it because there's pedestrian free. It does meander all the way that way, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the blue building, through these stairwells right here. We're going to go up this way, and then straight ahead we have we're going to be back to our street again, so we just kind of went a parallel through that building a little bit, and we're going to come to an end. But right up here you can see the Skyway for one. It's a grill house right there. And you can see the kind of strangeness of this blue building. If you walk around it, it has a lot of kind of interesting features, including all these little cylinder windows up ahead. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna end the video though. It's like getting it to be a little bit too dark. That grill house looks real interesting though. And so our target street, Korean barbecue. That Korean barbecue is really famous. Arirang. And this Pim Smart is also quite well known too. So that says, in Korean it says Arirang. So Arirang Korean barbecue restaurant. Okay. So those are some of the casinos over there. Galaxy, Parisian. This is kind of this cool looking building. I don't know how it's going to look at nighttime. Maybe not quite as good. Daytime it looks pretty cool. There's a nice blue color to it too. A blue building. A5, that's a bar and a restaurant. Kumon is a Sue's Kitchen, that's pretty well known. Sue's Kitchen has a big variety of Southeast Asian food predominantly. And now we're back on our street right here. Right next to the metro right there. end our video. There's the train station right there, stadium station. And that's it, another sights of Macau for you. And so this is our street from the end of the street, basically where we started. So I went back to where we started, and then we ended way down there. So there it is at nighttime with the train line and all. What a name.